Alright, so we just hooked the wires to the indoor unit. We hooked up the disconnect box to the power supply wire. Goes out of the box into the unit. And it goes into this control area. And then these go up there to the bar, black to black, red to orange, ground to the ground lug. And there was a plug that comes from over here. And it goes into this box here. And it has a plug in there that you can't plug it in wrong. It's got a shape so that you can't plug it in wrong. So that's done. Let's mount it back. That's done. All the lugs are tight. Wiggle them around, retighten them. And my bulkhead fittings, and they're tight. Except for this one, no, that one's tight too, so they're all good. Got the turned on. We install this plate, maybe. I'll leave this panel open for now because I may put these on the inside, not sure yet. Well, that's that for now. Hey guys, I want to show y'all this thing completely wired up. Now that it runs good. So I got my power wires coming in here. Don't touch that, it's hot. Go up here, come over here and power all this. Now my control wires, I learned today, you do not use the blue. So you got your brown coming from over here. And those your two browns connect together into the other brown. And I got the black wire from my float valve going into my red wires. And then coming from the blower motor over here, from the power source to it, goes to the other side of that thing there. Alright, and then, I don't know if I showed this or not, my browns tied to the brown over here. And then I got these two white wires. One has a black stripe, one has a blue stripe that goes over here. I understand that runs your heat strips, which I could have left one of these off, I'm pretty sure, because I only got 10 kW. And then my two control wires, so you get 4 wires in that nut. And you got your green from over here again. I keep doing that for illustration. And then my two control wires, that goes to them. I showed this part before, but I made this where the power comes in, goes into my box, comes out, and goes through a fitting into the box, into those two. And again, I showed those two tie in here, and that provides power to here. So anyway, I'm going to put a zip tie on all this and make it nice and neat and tidy. Make it look professional. In the meantime, don't bump that, or you will know it. So, alright, I'm going to turn the vacuum pump off. And I want to hang all the time. We're up the thermostat. My engagement off. That's not. 80. Way better than it has to be. So I'll let this sit for a while, make sure it stays. That's at 80, that's at 90. We'll finish up inside. Come back.